Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the sticker magician feature in CapCut to create new stickers within seconds. So here on the CapCut homepage, go to the Explore, click on View All, and you'll find the sticker magician options. Let's find it. What is it? Sorry, I can't seems to find it, so let's just start a new project here with the background. Okay, I'm going to use this background here. Now go to the sticker feature, and then here click on the AI options at the top. This one, the AI free. So in here you just need to insert a new sticker by inserting or describe the image that you want to generate. So I'm going to just people walking. Now click on generate and just wait until the CapCut, the sticker magician, generate the stickers based on the keyword that you write before. Okay, so as you guys can see here, the sticker has been generated, so you can just choose which one that you want to use, for example this one, and just click on add, and it will be added to the background that I chose before. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.